I'm just curious, Gorgie, wait lang. I'm just curious, Direk Noel and Tita Mel. Sino yung unang na-cast?
Si Sharon.
Sharon first. Okay.
Kasi, suntok sa buwan. Parang sabi niya, makukuha ba natin? O nasuntok na, try lang. Nag-match yung schedule, yung open yung schedule niya. And then we thought, sino ang ipapartner? Siyempre, hindi mo naman pwede partner Puchu-Puchu kasi Sharon. So, nag-shortlist na kami. Pero top of the list si Alden.
Si Alden.
Na sabi ko, naku, mas busy pa yan sa presidente ng Pilipinas. Yung gano'n, nega ako, parang ang hirap. Ayoko sa yung, ang hirap kasi ng mga artista, hindi available, ganyan, available. So talagang hulog ng langit. Pero hate ko pa siya noon, di ba? Di ba hate pa kita noon?
Pero kwento mo lang yung kwento mo lang yung exact words na sinabi mo sa amin, tas yung same delivery din para
Okay.
marinig
Wala
lang.
akong natatandaan.
Ay, hindi. Ako natado. Kung paano tayo nagmahalan, Tita Mel?
No.
Play
Play
VTR.
VTR.
No, ano yun workshop. Tapos, syempre, galing akong ABS, so sabi ko, ayoko yan si Alden, ayoko talaga siya, hate ko siya. Tapos sabi niya, ayoko talaga siya. Magpupunta akong workshop, hindi ko siya gugustuhin. Sabi ko, hate ko pa rin siya. Tapos, pagpasok niya, hi po, yung bang, ang bait. So, syempre, alam mo, mahirap awayin yung ang bait. Tapos sabi ko, pero sabi ko pa rin sa kanya, alam mo, ayoko sa'yo. Tapos sabi niya, bakit po? Sabi ko, walang reason. Basta ayoko lang sa'yo.
Okay, paano na bago?
Ay, sabi niya,
Oh.
sisikapin ko po na
Ah.
magustuhan niyo ko. Sabi ko, yun nga lang, hindi kita ma-hate, yun lang na-achieve mo. Pwede na. But, you know, after ng workshop, syempre, in workshop, you share, we discuss the characters. I realized na, kaya pala marami itong fans kasi mabait siya. So parang, tas, binubuli ko siya, ang bait niya talaga. Naiinis ako, hindi siya pumapatol. Kaya yun. Tapos nung medyo midway, tinatanong niya ako, nung sa shoot na, Tita, mahal niyo na ba ako? Sabi ko, medium. Huwag ka niyang pushy. Sabi ko, medium pa lang, medium. Hindi ka pa nakakarating. Ganyan sa
Okay.
niya. Yun. Tapos, he's difficult not to love.
Right. Pero ngayon, ano na? Ano nang level of love mo kaya for Alden?
Oo, na ano na, mga kumbaga bibili ng sili, mga 3 guhit na lang, ano na yun. Maximum na.
Maximum na. Grabe. Ang ganda ng approach ni Alden. Kill them with kindness.
No.
Di ba?
Kasi I really felt his authenticity.
Right, right. Authenticity. Oh. Mabilis lang. Alden, were you really available or you made yourself available?
Kasi parang way back 2019, I was asked kung baka dun sa mga mga superstars natin, sino yung mga gusto kong maka-work.
Right.
And then, I said a short list, but Mama was one of those. And sobra kasing lakas ng effect sa akin talaga nung movie ni Mama before na Caregiver. Na sabi ko, sana man lang in my lifetime as an actor, magkaroon ako ng chance na magkaroon ng film with Mama na ganong theme,
Right.
mother and son. So, talagang ginawa po namin lahat para maging available.
Ayun na nga.
Kasi maganda po yung storyline, maganda po yung script, and this is a once-in-a-lifetime offer being able to work with the megastar.
Meron pa tayo next year.
Meron pa, meron. Sinusulat na po. Pero yun, I think, pagsisisihan ko kung sa iba napunta.
Right.
Yun po.
Right. The stars really
Si
aligned
Pepe.
for this project, no?
Kung nag-no ka, di si Pepe.
Yes. Pero
It's okay. I was still able to work with Mama.
Ay!
Eto lang mo lang sabi ko.
bibig mo.
Kung napunta kay Pepe.
Hindi, ang gawin mo na lang, edit mo muna yung mukha ko doon. Tapos pulot mo yung mukha mo
Hindi.
doon.
Kung napunta kay Pepe, parang mas may effort ako mag-act. Joke.
It's okay. It's a good
Lovable
joke.
kaya yan. Kaya lang di mo siya kamukha eh.
Yun
Magkamukha
lang.
kami eh.
Lamang lang ako ng konti, Mama.
Magkamukha kami, di ba?
Yeah.
Lamang lang ako ng
family
bigote
of
ngayon
one
sa'yo.
ka na lang. Oo.
Okay.
Excuse me po, commercial lang. Kuya, patikim naman ng kape nyo dyan. May
Oy.
gatas,
Kape
tsaka
daw, kape.
asukal,
Happy
please.
Pingi.
Yes,
Amoy na.
please. Pengen
Pengi
naman
daw
kami.
coffee si Mega.
Ako with
Yes.
cream and sugar.
Ayun, okay.
So sino pa gusto magkape? Mukhang mahaba-haba pa ito. MJ11
Go
pa
ahead.
ang magtatanong. So, let's hear it from Alan Sancon.
Hi po. Good evening everyone. Nandito ba ako, Ate Shawi?
Sama ng mata ko, Diyos ko.
Hello
Against
po.
the light kasi. Tayo ka, Alan. Tayo ka. Yeah.
Oh, there.
Hi, Ate
Thank
Shawi.
you. Hi.
So, congratulations po. The Family of Two is a mother and son story, di
Thank
ba?
you, yeah.
I just want to ask the cast, kasi of all of us for sure, meron tayong mga good memories with our mothers, di ba? Pwede po bang i-share nyo yung good memories nyo with your mothers related to this film?
Well, basically, ako po, when growing up, tayo po lahat dito, naranasan natin yun na going to school, yung nanay natin gigising ng an hour or an hour and a half ahead sa atin to prepare yung kakainin natin, yung baon natin, telling us things over and over again kahit na narinig na natin siya. Kumbaga parang naging ongoing recording na siya sa ulo natin. And basically, this film po, yung A Family of Two, made me realize while doing it. Sinabi mo to, Tita Mel, na parang tayo, habang lumalaki tayo, when we were young, we were not naman ashamed, but we were parang naiirita tayo sa nanay natin or kahit tatay natin. Minsan, pag masyadong clingy, yung makulit, pinapakita yung love kasi pagdating sa mother and son or mother and daughter, father-son, father-daughter. Sometimes kasi meron talaga tayong mga magulang na expressive in a way, na body language. Yan, no? Na parang with kisses, with hugs, with words. Sige boss, pasok mo muna yung commercial.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you
Ayun.
so much.
Yun po. So, yung maganda po kasi with this film, yung character ko po, si Mateo, parang growing up, as Richard Fulkerson Jr., as RJ, I was like that, na parang, wag naman sa harap ng mga kaibigan ko, ma. Wag naman sa harap ng mga kaklase ko, ma. Pero, parang, yun yung masakit na, when the time comes na, wala na. Di ba? Parang, hinahanap mo na siya. So that's the message of the film that I was so struck by. Na tama eh. Tinitake for granted natin yung pagmamahal na binibigay ng parents natin. And then, by the time na wala ng chance bumawi, take it from me, I lost my mom. Nung gusto ko nang bumawi, hindi na ako makabawi. So, with this film, I hope that everyone po na makakapanood nito is, we realize that our parents, our mom and dad, but for this film, our mom is, kumbaga if everyone will leave us in this world, our mothers won't, our family won't. So, wag po nating i-encourage yung sistema na hindi tayo showy, hindi tayo masabi ng I love you. Kailan po tayo magsasabi ng mahal natin ng mga magulang natin pag wala na sila? So, let's not wait for that chance. Kaya yung may mga magulang pa po sa atin, you're very lucky to have a family and parents who are still alive. So make the most out of those moments. Kasi one day, it will all be too late. So wag nating hayaan, with this film, it will teach us na wag nating i-take for granted yung family moments. Kasi baka nakasanayan, baka masyado na tayong komportable sa family natin na hindi na natin binibigyan ng value yung pagsasama-sama. And also, to the parents po, the message po is this na parang as your children grow up, yun nga yung sinasabi din ng lola ko na kapag pinagpapaaral mo sa pinakamagandang school, kapag binibigay mo lahat ng kailangan for a better future, hindi lang nakikita ng magulang yun, pero you're shooting them far. You're shooting your kids far. Na, like what you said, Ma, the two things that you can give to your kids is roots and wings. And by the time na lilipad na sila, let them fly, di ba? Let them fly and then don't think na may mga scenes kasi dito po sa pelikula na nakikita niyo po na oo lang si Mami Maricar sa harap ni Mateo, pero sa banyo doon siya magbe-breakdown. Pag mag-isa siya doon siya, sa sobrang pagmamahal ng parents natin sa atin, willing nila tayong i-let go. But that is so difficult for the parents, especially to the mother. Kasi like what you said also, Ma, nilabas mo yun eh. Your children came from you. So that's the hardest part, is saying goodbye. Not for good, but anytime, like making you love your children so much that you want their dreams to come true. So yun lang po, ako, with everything that has happened in my life with my parents, nagsisisi talaga po ako, honestly, na I wasn't able to give it back nung time na pwede na akong bumawi. So do not let that moment happen to your life. Say, I love you, yakapin sila. Pagkatapos po ng press ko na to, baka pwede nyo pong i-text yung mga magulang nyo na sabihin nyo lang po na mahal nyo sila. Kasi coming from my experience, I wasn't able to do that. So yun lang po, sana ganun natin mabitbit tong storya ng Family of Two.
Hindi
Hindi
na
ka
daw
na
siya
raw
awayin
ni Tita Mel.
Nawala na yung 3 guhit, tita.
Alan?
Maybe Ate Shawi will share also about her mother, memories
You
with
know,
her
my mother and I, we were both kasi bullheaded, strong-willed. And parang everyone knows I was closer to Daddy. But you know, I never appreciated my mom as much as I appreciate her now. Lalo na yung mga hindi pa nagkakaanak. Pag nagkaanak kayo, doon nyo lalong ma-appreciate ang mami ninyo. And then, now nawala na siya, ngayon ko siya gustong nandito. Ngayon ko siya kailangan. That's exactly also what Alden said. So, there's just one thing. All the tampo, all the rifts, all the arguments, all the things na you will think about na ayaw mo sa magulang mo, please keep this in mind. In the end, none of that will matter. Pag wala na sila, tulad ng sabi ni Alden, then you want to spend time with them, pero wala na sila, now you have the time, but they're not there anymore. You cannot bring back the time. You know, time that is lost is gone forever. So make the most of what you have now. Instead of complaining all the time, siguro it just becomes a habit na ko-complain ka about your parents, dala mula nung teenager ka hanggang lumampas na marami kang reklamo. Now I recognize all of my mom's efforts and I appreciate her more. And I understand that she also went through so much and sacrificed so much for me and my brother and my dad. So now I wish my mommy was here.
Thank you, Ate
Thank
Shawi.
you. Thank you so much.
Sorry po mukhang emotional. Sabi mo, Alden, di ka iyak.
Akala ko rin eh.
Yung last question ko, going back to the movie. Kasi parang curious lang kami. Parang you're both stars, di ba? Kumbaga bring us dun sa shooting, first day of shooting day niyo po. How was the first scene? Parang Alden, na-intimidate
Ay,
ka
Lord.
ba kay Ate
Sus ko,
Shawi?
Lord.
Parang ganyan. How about
Ito, Alan.
Ate Shawi?
Yung mga producer po namin dito, lagi kaming binubusog. Tusinico
May
Productions.
pabayong na pagkain.
Maraming salamat po sa
Sila
araw-araw.
Mayor,
First
Diyos
time
ko.
ko pong naka-experience ng pelikulang araw-araw yung
Oo.
catering, Ma.
Kung pwede lang talagang maging exclusive na lang ako sa sine ko. Alam mo ba, Diyos ko. Yan ang mga tipo ng producers na kailangan ni-emulate.
sobrang alaga. Pero eksena-wise, wala kasi nag-workshop na kami. It was so, ang ano lang is, since nag-look test pa kami, naggumawa kami ng eksena sa look test. We did scenes for camera tests, ganyan. So parang medyo na-break in na kami. So when we got to the set, yung parang realization lang na, ito na yung umpisa nung araw-araw. Ano kaya yung araw-araw? Yung system na lang. Beautiful yung system ni Direk. Oh my God, I want Direk Noel to be my second Eddie Garcia. Because Direk Eddie Garcia directed me in so many movies when I was young. I want to do so many movies with Direk Noel also.
Same.
Same. I think everybody has to experience being directed by Direk Noel. If actors, if you're watching, if you ever get the opportunity to be directed by this person beside me, consider yourself blessed. Because ako, this is a gift from God. This project has been a gift from God. Diba? It's exactly what we need. And it's exactly the message I want to impart to my followers over the decades. And then I'm with Alden, and I was directed by Direk Noel. It's material by Tita Mel, who I grew up with. Hindi ka pa Del Rosario, nandyan na ako. Yung, di ba, Mendoza pa lang siya. Naging Del Rosario na rin siya. Nandun pa rin ako. Parang tita ko yan, akin yan. So it's family. And to have Jackie and Miles with us, sali na natin si Pepe dahil
Wag
fan niya
na,
ako.
wag na.
Huwag nang bawiin.
Oh no, but Pepe really, no, Direk knows. When I saw the trailer, no, I was dubbing actually, Mama. I was dubbing. Ako, Direk, sino po yan? Tuwan-tuwa ako sa kanya. Sa kanya ako na-affect. Tapos yung lalabas siya, nung screening namin, ayun na naman siya, gumaganon ako.
Pero masabi, balita daw edit out, kaya tinanggal
Oh,
na
ito
lang
na.
muna yun.
Secret lang
Kaya wala siya sa
yun.
trailer.
Sorry.
Secret bawiin.
Ako,
Ganda
secret.
na eh.
Ba't mo sinabi?
Ganda na eh.
Baka sikreto yun.
Build up na eh.
Kapi-build up lang. Binatter cup. Just to let you down.
Joke lang po. Joke lang.
Joke lang.
It's
Super,
okay.
super.
Thank you.
Thank you, Direk.
Thank you, Alan.
And thank you, Cineco. Thank you po.
Okay.
Mayor
Walo
Rico,
pa lang,
Mayor
MJ, ang
Patrick, we
nakapagtanong.
love
We still
you.
have
I
8.
love you so much. Salamat po.